Here she is.
Today's
friends.
tutorial is over the Lange 360
Star of the show,
Grande Duo.
the Lange.
Hi there. Today I'm going to do a tutorial on the Lange Duo Grande. And it is a really awesome tool, y'all. I took it to my daughter's wedding and as mother of the bride, and we were all getting ready, and we used it on a couple of girls, like several girls' hair that usually have trouble curling or curling their hair at all. But this is like a flat iron and a curler all in one. And it's really awesome, and I'm going to show you how it works. Also got this stuff called Lange Salt and Sea. It's a spray, and it's a texturizing spray. So I'm going to spray this in my hair. You want something, you know, in your hair like to make the curls stay. And one thing I did do with the girls that had a lot of trouble, they're saying they're never able to keep curl in their hair, is to use a lot of hairspray, and that will keep the curl, and that's what seemed to help too with them. So this Lange has a blow dryer. It like blows the curls to the heat of the hair, and so I'm waiting for it to heat up. And it has several different temperatures, so I'm going to do mine at, what was that, 390, not all the way at 430. So I'm waiting for it to heat up. Okay, now it's heated up, and you can hear it, and it's up to 390 degrees, and it sounds like a blow dryer. So you just grab some hair, and you take it, and you do like you're going to do a curling iron, but you just pull it through. And then it makes a perfect little curl. And then you grab another piece, and you do the same thing. Let me go the other way. And you just kind of let it go through, and it slides right through, y'all. And so you can use this either for, see the oil curl? You could use it either for straightening. So like, see, you could totally straighten it. And it does a nice straighten. If you wanted to do that, but I'm wanting to do curls today to show you how that works. So you just pull it through, and it makes a perfect little curl. So I'm gonna keep working on my hair, and I'll probably fast forward on this. That's the Lange. Get you one today.
Here she is, friends.